Wow, what's that? Is that a farm? What do you have in your box? You want to look inside your box? Knock in your box. Knock at the box. We have a surprise. What's that? What's that? Wow! What's that? Is that a bunny? Okay. What do you see? It's a bunny. Can you hug the bunny? Where's the bunny? Can you hug the bunny? You hug the bunny. Very good. Two hands, baby, 2 hands. You hug the bunny. You hug the bunny. Remove shoes? Remove shoes. Come here. It's a bunny. It's an egg. Yes, we will open. Yes, it's a. Yes, baby. Like to open it. Open. You open. You just lift it up, baby. You pull. You can do it. You need mommy's help. Can you shake it first? Shake, shake, shake. Shake it. Come on. Okay, come on. Okay, open. Wow. Wow. We have plenty of eggs. Many eggs. What about the bunny egg? Can you say hi to Daddy? Do you like your eggs? Wow! What color is that? Green! Purple! It's a green egg. What color is that? Orange. Purple.
Pink egg. Yellow egg.
Can you count how many eggs you have? 1, 2, 3. Back away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it's an egg, yellow. Green. Orange. Green. Purple.
Orange egg.
Ooh, you have to be careful with the egg.
Yellow egg.
Again.
Purple egg. Blue egg. Yellow egg. Orange. Blue egg.
Say hi to mommy, thank you. Let me say smile. Say cheese. Where's your teeth?
Don't forget to like and subscribe.